Hi guys, welcome back to Budget with Lizzy. Today we have closed out the first week of August, and we're going to stuff the second week of August paycheck. And as you guys already know, I only stuff my automatic savings and challenges. So if it's something you like to see, stay tuned, and here we go. For this video, we're stuffing a total of $338 in cash and then $275 in fun money. And this week we didn't spend any of our money, so we're gonna leave everything as is. My spending still has 20, eating out 20, household 5, emergency 5, groceries still have the 30, and giving has only $1. So we're going to, whoops, should have counted my money first, huh? Just great. So we have our cash. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, no, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 338. And we forgot our fun money again. This week we need 275. A 50 and 25. So this is our fun money for our automatic savings, and we're gonna put that to the side. So we had $1 left in giving, and we're gonna add 5 more. So now giving has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 80, so I add the 5 for giving, so the 80 that should have gone into the other stuff will be put in our rollover. 20, 40, 60. Oh, doing 3 20s and 4 5s. 1, 2, 4. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. And our rollover envelopes. Lizzy is 20. I didn't spend my 20, so that's getting 20. Eating out is getting 20. Groceries is getting 20, 30. Household is 5. Groceries is 30. And emergency is 5. So that's for our rollover envelopes. So you guys understand what I did. Since I didn't spend anything, I didn't bother taking out, putting in. So I just take the funds that I would have stuffed and put it into holdover. So the first thing we're going to stuff is our 100 envelope challenge as usual. And this again, we're stuffing 43. I feel like that's what they know. So we're doing 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm still trying to come up with ideas for my giveaway. Help me, help me. I would love to send stuff that the person can unpack and be like, ooh, ah. But then I don't want to buy something that no one really likes or needs. So I'm thinking of doing something cash, a gift card or something. So 43 is stuffed, and we're gonna color our 43. So cool, so pretty. I wish I could just stuff all of that at one time. And then since we're here, the 52-week challenge is getting 15. And we're stuffing 15 today. So that's 120, 810, and that's getting 3 5s. 1, 2, 3. I don't have any 10s because I went to the ATM and it only has hundreds, 5s, singles, no 10s, no 50s. So this should be $29 for this envelope. So it's a 15 in our 52-week challenge. In our $1,000 challenge, we're stuffing $15 also. So, and that's 3 5s. 1, 2, 3. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. That's 8, 8, 10. Is that right? 15. Yep. 8, 10. Nice. So we're getting close here. And we're going to color 15. We're getting there with this one too. So that's done. Then our $600 challenge is getting 30. My cute little binder. We're gonna do a 20 and 2 5s. Let's fold on this side. So that's 30 in my $600 challenge. Then our 5, 10, and $20 challenges. Getting one bill of each. So the 5s is getting $5. Tens is getting $10. $20 is getting 20. You know what, let's do. Then our payday challenge is getting $10 because its pay date is August 10th. So that would be 2 5s, and that's in August. And then our monthly color challenge is getting another 20. And that's, like I said, I'm doing March. So we have to color 2 images. So that's getting a 20, and that's already at $60. And we need to get it to 120. And like I said, I scratched the envelopes for this week out of Canva. And oops, we scratched $85 because I was scratch happy. So we have 20, 40, 50, and 55. 20, 40, 55 is going into this envelope. 50 and a 5. And then this one is 30. So that's 20 and 30. Perfect. So we stuffed $85. And that's going to go to the back. And we're going to see what we're going to stuff next week. Here we go with the mess. We need. Oops, sorry. People talk. Oh, this has 2. Yikes. Okay, so those who don't manage their money will always work for those who do. Yikes. So we're scratching the first one, and that's $5. Then it'd be $5 for the next one too. That would be nice. Whoops, my wish didn't come through. So we're stuffing 25 today. 25. So next week we'll be stuffing 25. I'm scared to do another one, so we'll stop right there. So next week is 25. So that's it for our mystery challenge. And the final thing is our automatic savings. 10,000 challenge is getting $200. So we're now at 1, 2, 3, 4. And, you know, this, every time it builds up, I put it towards debt. And I have to do an update on my debt. I'm trying to see if I can finish the $100 envelope challenge. So I can put that towards it too. So we now have 400. Our emergency fund is getting 50. So that has 1, 2, 3,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3650. 3,650. So on 8, 10. 3,650. My $25 challenge is getting 25. I think I'm gonna save this $25 challenge since it's been treated so nicely and not being touched. I'll probably save it for vacation or something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 9, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So now we're at 950. Maybe next week I'll send an extra 25 so I could get it to 1,000. We'll see. So we could do 1,000 placeholder. That would be nice. And my son's savings didn't get any this week. And that's it for our stuffing today. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for subscribing. I did reach 100, and I think the last time I checked 115. I want to thank you guys so much, and my giveaway is coming, I promise. I hope you guys will give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.